Inangambahang mawala ng tirahan ang nasa 300 rescued animals dahil nabili na ang kanilang shelter. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan si Mon Gualvez.
Misyon ng Ocean Project Foundation ang mabigyan ng tahanan ang mga aso at pusang inabandona at inabuso. Sa loob ng 6 na taon, umabot sa 2,000 na ang na-rescue ng foundation habang nasa 1,000 naman ang nabigyan ng bagong pamilya.
Everything's all by God's grace. So as a non-profit org, we get zero funding from the government. And we survive, of course, through the donations and help of people who believe in our cause.
Ang naiwan sa kanilang pangangalaga na nasa 300 rescued animals ay pinangangambahan ngayon na mawalan ng tirahan.
We have less than 30 days to move them, so we have to choose a location that's near.
May nakabili na raw ng shelter na kanilang nirerentahan, kaya pagsubok ngayon kung saan nila ililipat ang mga alagang hayop.
Sa pag-raise pa lang ng funds to buy a property will take a while already. So the main plan of action really was to look for a rented property na fence, may water and electricity supply. We want an accessible space kasi we want people to go to the shelter para at least paglipat namin, maayos na lahat. Hindi na sila masa-stress.
Kaya naman, isang event for a cause ang ikinasa ng foundation para makalikom ng pondong magagamit para sa kanilang paglipat.
Pochella actually is our annual benefit concert for a cause. And if you can come and join us at Pochella, we have a lot of merch for sale.
Hinihikayat din nila ang volunteers na naghahanap ng purpose in life.
Come January, we will be posting about an open house as well. So for people who don't really have a lot of funds to help, but they have the talent, they have this, if maybe they're still looking for their life purpose, just having to involve yourself in animal welfare and volunteering can probably, give you a sense of purpose as well. So I really would just like to invite everybody to support animal welfare.
Bubong na masisilungan at matatawag na tahanan. Isa yan sa pangunahing pangangailangan ng tao. At karapatan din ng mga hayop na sana'y maibigay sa mga aso at pusa ng Ocean Project sa lalong madaling panahon. Nagbabalita mula sa frontline, Mon Gualvez, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Julius Babaw po. Iba na ang may alam at may pakialam sa panahon ngayon. Para sa frontline ng mga balita, mag-follow at mag-subscribe sa social media pages ng News 5.